Attention Howick Fire, could you please respond to 45010 Harrison Road, the Howick Central Public School for Zone 1 General Fire Alarm with key holders pending. Again, that'll be 45010 Harrison Road, the Howick Central Public School at Tollgate Line and Fort Which Line. Time of first page 050925. Attention Howick Fire, could you please respond to 45010 Harrison Road, the Howick Central Public School for Zone 1 General Fire Alarm with key holders pending. Again, that'll be 45010 Harrison Road, the Howick Central Public School at Tollgate Line and Fort Which Line. Time of second page 051059.
Fire dispatch, this is Howick Fire.
Go ahead.
Yes, we received your page, the Howick School.
That's Roger. Page is acknowledged. It's 051322.
Fire dispatch, Howick Fire.
Go ahead.
Fire dispatch, you can show Howick 26 responding to Howick Central Public School, 5 on board.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, Howick Fire.
Go ahead.
Have you got a hold of the key holder yet?
That's negative. Key holder has not been reached yet. Alarm company has not called back to advise. It's 051709.
Copy that. Fire dispatch, Howick Fire.
Go ahead.
Fire dispatch, you can show 26 on scene. 202 will be command and mobile. We're going to do a walk around and see what the scoop is.
That's Roger. I copy 26. You're on scene. 202, you're in command and mobile. You're walking around for investigation. It's 052050.
Command, call base. Command, call base.
Howick base, call Pumper 26.
Go ahead, Pumper 26. You have Howick base.
Howick base, see if there's a Howick school key and key box in the office. We're having radio problems.
Copy that. Command, call Howick base.
Go ahead, Howick base.
Negative on a key.
Howick base, call Pumper 26.
Go ahead, Pumper 26. This is Howick base.
How many do you have on standby right there?
We have 4 firefighters on standby.
Go ahead. That's Roger. You're requesting to see if the alarm company got a hold of a key holder. It's 053250. Stand by.
Howick 26, call Howick base. Go ahead, Howick base. Yeah, we couldn't find a key here. Roger that, stand by.
Fire dispatch to command. The alarm company's left multiple voicemails for all 3 key holders. I'm going to try myself here.
Howick base, call Pumper 26.
Go ahead, 26.
Command is releasing you guys so you can head out.
Copy that. Thank you.
Go ahead. That's Roger. You did a walk around, check doors and windows, nothing going on. You're returning in a hall. You're wanting us to notify you of key holders. It's 538. That's Roger. Command terminated. Return hall 539. Fire dispatch to command for a key holder update.
Dispatch, this is Howick Command.
I was able to reach a male by G1 Paul. He's trying to get a hold of a custodian to attend, and he's going to call back into dispatch with any updates.
Copy that. Thank you very much.
Comfort 2-6, call Howick Base.
Howick Base 2-6, go ahead. Fire Dispatch, Howick Fire.
Go ahead, Howick.
Fire Dispatch, you can show us we've returned to base, 5 on board.
That's Roger. You've returned to base with 5 on board at 5:46.
Fire Dispatch, Howick Fire.
Howick Fire, go ahead.
Fire Dispatch, you can put us back in service at this time, thank you.
That's Roger. Howick Fire, back in service. Time now is 05:53. Have a good day.
You as well. XKU 493 clear. 5:53:43.